Hello traders, it's your boy Skin. So today's video I'll be talking about my trade setups on gold last week, how I'm able to catch higher risk reward like 1 is to 13, 1 is to 9, 1 is to 7 risk reward. So stay tuned if you want to see how I'm able to get those trade, go the setup, and how I'm able to make my stop loss to be so small for me to get that kind of risk reward. So if this is your first time coming across my channel, please kindly to subscribe, like and share this video to the loved ones and also those that it might help. So let's see you in the chat, guys. So guys, this is my good chart, and you can see that gold is in its all-time high. And let me clear these things. So this is good now. Gold has broken its highest high. Now gold is at its all-time high, and our main bias now is buying. So my main interest right now is buying. So this is how I'm able to get all those entries on gold. But I'll show you guys later. So right now, before I start analyzing my trade, I used to go and see the overall trend of the market. You can see that the overall trend of the market is bullish. Gold have taken out its highest high and is now buying. So my trade position here is buy. So you can see that the all-time high was this place. Gold has broken it and is now bullish. So if you are trying to sell gold right now, you are taking a higher risk than buying. If you're buying gold right now, you are taking a little bit, but if you are selling gold, you're not going against the trend. So I know it's not safe for someone to start going against the trend of the market. So let me show you guys how to catch those risk reward like 1 is to 15, 1 is to 7, 1 is to 9, 1 is to 8. Yeah. So when market broke this higher side, this one, I started looking for buy buyers, no more sell because both has finished ranging. It ranges for almost how many months? Let's check. April 22, 22nd April. So um August 29th, that's when it broke this area. How many months now? April, May, June, July, August. Almost 6 months of consolidation. So right now gold has started buying. So and all our aim right now is also continue buying this market. So moving that to my 4 time frame because I'm done with daily time frame. So wait guys. Okay, this is my first trade when gold was here. So this was the all-time high resistance, this resistance here. So but I took a trade here. This one is running to 15, but market take me out. So let me go to one more time frame. This is it. I did a mistake on this trade. I could have waited for liquidity sweep because this market here this market ends on closes at Friday. So the next Monday I just wake up around 1 o'clock in Monday. I just buy. But that was the mistake that I made. I didn't wait for market to take out liquidity before start buying. I just came and buy and make it just came tap me out. You can see that it came there and tap me out. This one is to 15. Tap me out and start buying. So I think that I wait for liquidity to get sweep, then enter at this point. I could have, joined the trend, but it's what it is. Every mistake you made will teach us a lesson. So the second trade is this one. This one is one is to 7. You see it. Market keeps on buying to this place. So it has completed to this zone. So and it dropped. This was Wednesday, September 3rd liquidity, this point here. So normally the market need to sweep it out before I start looking for my um entry confirmation. That's what I didn't do here. I didn't wait for sweep. I just entered and market take me out. So in this point, I learned my lesson and I didn't enter because of I just saw a value of that block here for me to start entering. No, I didn't enter. What I waited for market to take away liquidity. That's what I waited for, and it just happened like that. And I wait for my market structure shift to happen. If you go to my 15-minute time frame, I can show you that it's right here. This is it on 15 minutes time frame. See that after market taking away liquidity, it came back and give market structure shift this one, then give me a valid inducement. Market now come to my breakup block right here and start buying. That is where I place my buy. This is my first buy. And this is 1:7 is toward understand, not that big, not that small. It's normal. It's not small, it's not big, it's just medium. So second trade was this one, same thing. This is my let me go to my 1 hour time frame for you to see it clearly because I like analyzing markets from the 1 hour. So my 15 minutes time frame just for my confirmation. So I don't analyze markets for in one time frame like 30 minutes, 1 minute, 5 minutes. No, I do my analysis at the higher time frame. Then lower time frames for my confirmation. That is 15 minutes mainly or 30 minutes. So in this was another block right here. This point from here to here is my valid order block. So I marked it out by this, and you can see as markets came in and tapped into it. Markets came in. This was Tuesday on the block. So I was waiting for market to normal thing now to to sweep this place out before start buying. But market didn't do that. Market came to 15-minute frame. As in as it tapped this other block, it goes straight and give me confirmation without sweeping. So if anytime the market give you a confirmation without sweeping the liquidity there, that is also a valid entry that enter like that. So coming to my 15-minute time frame, okay, wait guys. At this point, you can see as market tap into the other block, I didn't enter immediately because I was waiting for my sweep. It didn't give me sweep. Then I'm now waiting for my confirmation, which was what happened right here. You can see market social shifts, inducement. I drew my other block right there, and sorry, I drew my other block right there, and that is how I'm able to get this trade. This trade is 1:14 with word. So you might be wondering why did I place my stop loss so small like this? There's no any difficulty in there. You just if you see if your other block is small, your stop loss is going to be small. If your breaker block is small, your stop loss as well is going to be small. But if your other block is big, your stop loss will be big. But if your breaker block is also big, it's now for you to modify it. If you can wait for a confirmation that will give you a smaller stop loss, you can enter. But in this case, you can see that this is a market structure shifts. This candlestick here, market structure shifts, and this is my um inducement. So this point is a breaker. At this point, there's a breaker here. This one is my breaker break. You see, markets move up. That's a market social shift. So I didn't take this other block. I was watching this breaker because sometimes markets will just come and tap into this breaker and start going. So what did I do? Instead of me like being so big for me to sorry, for me to use this one because if I use this other block here, I'll be getting 1 is to 17 risk reward. But if I should adjust it up a little bit to cover the breaker, I'll be getting 1 is to 14, 1 is to 13. You can see 1 is to 13 risk reward, and my stop loss should be just below the other block, this one, just below it like this, just below it. It won't be very far from it, just below the wicks, below the wicks. You can see this other block. It has some wicks just below it like this, just like this. This is 1 is to 14 risk reward. As you can see, market just tap into it and start buying. This was NFP news. When NFP came out, NFP just went in our way and we made so much money. That is how to to get um small stop loss. So just move down to a 15 minute time frame. Wait for market structure shifts. Then find your inducement and your other block. Each other block is small. That's the lock for you. Then you can place your buy position there. So you can see after this trade, I didn't jump into another market. I didn't jump into a sell because I was following the directional bias of this market. Directional bias of this market is bullish. So on my setup right from this good is bullish, 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 buy, sorry, buy. So on this case, this was my third entry. This was my first, second, third. My fourth entry is this one. So you can see how small my stop loss is. You see how small it is. This is 1 into 16 risk reward. You can see. So how do I know this? You can see that market breaks above this high and keep buying. So I just went down to my 15 minute technique to look for entry confirmation for me to continue the buy bias. So moving down to my 15 minute time frame for my confirmation only. My higher time frame is for analyzing, then my lower time frame is for confirmation entry. You can see that market came here and give a market social shift to the upside. Let me move it so you can see. This is it. Market social shift after a little consolidation here. Then smart money people enter the markets. That's what that's why it's called the market structure shift. Understand? So with a valid inducement. So what I did, I just placed my order, my buy order at this break or order block here. You can see that my order block here. Then and my stop loss should be just below it like this, just below it. Just break like this. I was able to get this reward. This was 1 into 16 reward. Honestly, 16 is what, and I'm a challenge though it's a demo account. I want to take $50,000 to $3 million, and right now I'm in 500,000 from 15K. How does that make it possible? I took all this trade. Don't worry, I'll be making a video if I complete the challenge from 50K to 3 million. So if I complete the challenge, I will show you guys how I'm able to turn 15K to $3 million from no from having a smaller stop loss with a higher risk reward. Understand? So this game is all about mindset, and I'm not afraid of any pullback like this one. There was a pullback here. I didn't say stay to start closing my trade because I saw this pullback. So I wasn't in a rush to close because market is pulling back. No, because I already know where market is going. So I've built an edge in the market that I know where market is going. So I have to wait for market to complete it. Because for me to be scared and close my market, it's just that it means that you haven't trust your strategy so strong. That's why some people close to it earlier because this is a high risk reward that most people want, but they don't have patience to wait for that setup to come. And there is some people that exist at 1:2, 1:3 risk reward. But if you want to know how to get this kind of entry, it's just for you to wait for best moments, best elder block that will give you some small stop loss, and also have patience, be disciplined. Don't chase every move. Focus on that direction. Some traders are even selling this good. I saw on some traders on TikTok they are selling good. Why gold is strongly bullish. You can see some people are also selling this gold. I don't know why they're selling it. And if you can go to my 1 hour time frame, you can see that gold is just in a little consolidation, which is not good for to I either buy or sell. You can see gold right now is consolidating. It's not good for either buy or sell. But my main target is also buy. So my main target is that if market is able to break this high, this one, break it, then give me confirmation. I'll buy it from here to here. Or if that doesn't happen, I wait for it to drop. But this drop now, gold is ranging. You can see at my 4 hour time frame, gold is it's ranging. So it's not safe to trade this market because it will take you out, buy and sell. It's not good. So what I'm waiting for right now is either gold drop to this point, because I won't drop it because I won't say okay gold will drop, let me enter a sell. No, I won't sell it. I will wait for it to drop here from this other block here. I'll form a confirmation entry, then I'll push it to the upside because I'm following the directional bias of the market. The directional bias of the market is bullish, so I have to follow every bullish um movement in this market. So for now, I'll wait for it to drop, then I'll wait for my confirmation for me to start buying. So if market now brings this high, you don't say continuation buy until market gets to this brown bar that I placed here because that is where I'm aiming to before market started consolidating. So that is all I have for you guys. That is the trade that I took last week on how to make your stop loss, how to catch bigger risk reward. So right now I'm out of gold. I'm out until market what breaks here, then I'll continue buying or push the downside. Then from here I'll start buying because I won't sell this gold for any reason because um gold is purely bullish. It has broken its highest high and another thing is to buy. So this is my setup on gold. Either it drops, buy, continue buying, or it breaks above this resistance, breaks above it, then drop, then buy again. This is my setup on gold for next week. So today is Sunday and market will open at the midnight. Let's see what's gonna offer for us. So okay, I have also trade on GPUSD. GPUSD. I'm shorting GPUSD. Uh, this is GPS. I'm shorting this pair and I took this trade on Friday. Market already give me 1 to 6 weeks forward. Look at it here. 1 to 6 before it's retraced up. But normal, this is where I am targeting it. This is 1 to 16 weeks forward. You see how my stop loss was so small. Understand? Was so small and my reward is very very large. That's 1 to 16. How I'm able to get this setup is very simple. This is my maker structure sheets. This is my other block. This was my other block here. You can see that this is on 9 September. Yes, 9 September other block. So this is my market structure sheet. So I was waiting for market to come out, take it out, sweep it out before dropping, but market didn't do that. Instead, market came and gave me another market structure shift to the downside. You can see it showing that market is trying to revert, so it's no more sweeping. So if anytime market comes to your other block, don't other block, and that other block is yesterday's other block, so you don't have to start entering immediately. Wait for confirmation. That's what I waited for. And market give me market structure shift here, showing me a sign that market is about to drop. So I go to my 15 minute time frame to look for my confirmation. Look at it there. Market structure shift here. This is my inducement. So I came here and I marked my 15 minutes order block for me to enter the sell. So this is my 15 minutes order block. So I entered the sell right here. My stop was just above here. You can see that. So 15-minute time frame will give you, you know that their candles are so small. So that's why your stop loss are, my stop loss is small. I think when I saw this 15 minute, that other block at a higher time frame like 4 hour, my stop loss is going to be very big. But if you go to 15 time frame, you can spot a small other block right there, and it will be able to give you that high risk one that you're looking for. So yeah, this is all I have for you today. So if you found this video interesting, if you like it, please do it to subscribe, like, and share. Comment if you have any question. I also have a Telegram channel that I share one signal every day, and we're also winning back to back. This week, you have been, winning gold. I have shown you guys the trade. We have been, making money from gold because gold is now in a bullish trend. So we are now enjoying the move of gold. For gold was consolidating, doing crazy stuff, but now gold is trending bullish. So we are now buying. We're now buying gold. So I'm done for today, guys. So kindly subscribe, like, and share. Bye. Thank you for staying to the very end of this video. So I know you have learned one or two things. You have learned how I'm able to make those, how I'm able to catch those risk words. So I also have a Telegram channel where I share one free signal daily on my free channel. So if you're interested, you can go to the description box and click the link. It will take you to my Telegram channel for one free signal daily. Peace out, guys. Bye.